Hey y'all, it is your girl, the Makeup Plug, and I'm back again with another bomb tutorial. And today I'm showing you guys how to achieve this glitter cut crease look using our glitters. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So we're starting already off with her base. Her foundation, everything we're already done because we actually did two looks today. This was our second look, and so basically I'm using the Plouise Eye Base in number 5, and I'm just patting that on with a slanted concealer brush on her eyelids. This part is sped up, but I do let the base sit on the eyes just for a minute just so it can get a little thick. Now I'm taking my Morphe buffing brush and actually just going over top of that Plouise base just to make sure it's not too wet still, because I don't want anything to crease or to move around with the glitter. Now that the base is done, we're going to jump right into this eyeshadow. I'm using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm using that brown in that palette just to create a nice transition color, just because we won't see a lot of colors on the eyes because of the glitter, but I do like a color there just to recognize and to be very cohesive to the glitter. And I love all my eye looks to have a gradient effect, so I did take that burgundy shade from the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette on the outside of the eye just to make sure that everything fades into the glitter perfectly. Now I'm taking the Makeup Plug's Bronze Beauty pigment, and this pigment is so gorgeous. I always love using a pigment under glitter because it just gives that extra pop that you need. Like seriously, you don't have to use a whole bunch of eyeshadows. Like literally use a pigment and you're good. And before you ask, no, I did not use this pigment wet. It literally just looks so freaking good and shiny. Like these pigments are so freaking bomb. And you guys already know the routine. What I do to one side of the eye, I do to the other. And I always take my time with my pigments because I do not like a lot of fallout. And because we did two looks today and she still had her foundation and everything on, I didn't want to mess it up. So I literally took my time. Even though we were still chatting and laughing and stuff, I literally took my time. There's no rules to makeup. Always create as you go and never worry, literally. Just have fun with it. And now I'm basically just diffusing the outside of her eyes just to make sure everything fades into the glitter before I do apply. This part, basically, I didn't apply any extra product to the brush. I'm just using what's left on the brush on both sides of the eye. Now I get to pull out this bad boy. This is the Makeup Plug's Mega Glitter Stack, and it is a 14-piece glitter holographic stack, and it's so bomb. I am using the brown sugar glitter, and y'all will see how bomb it is. I just applied a little bit of duo glue on her eyes, and I do this in parts. I always say never rush, always take your time, especially if you're using like any type of adhesive to the eyes or to the face. Always take your time and work in parts. So my camera just died and now I'm just working from my phone. Sorry guys, I know the quality has changed, but the makeup will always still stay the same. So basically you'll see me continue to finish that glitter eye, and I'm still using brown sugar, and it is so beautiful, y'all. Literally, and a little bit goes a very, very long way, and always take your time with it. What is another makeup look I should do next? Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more content and more looks. I love to do a little trick when I do glitter eyes. I love to tap just a little bit of pigment on top of the eyes because I was already doing pigment in her inner corner. And so what I do is just tap a little bit of pigment all over the eyes just so it can be really cohesive and pretty. Y'all, I had to give y'all a close-up view of this glitter. This is brown sugar, and while I do this wing liner, y'all, look how beautiful this glitter looks. And no, it's not heavy on the eyes. It's very lightweight. A little bit goes a very long way. This look looks so bomb. And this is me just touching up her makeup since we did use a little bit of glitter. This is just me just making sure everything is okay and everything just in line. I just tapped a little bit of concealer under her eyes just because we did wipe a little bit of the products from our last look off. And I'm using my favorite setting powder, which is the Patrick Starr and MAC setting powder, which was so bomb, and I have so many of them, so I have to go through it before I buy another one. So yes, the setting powder never gives me flashback, and it never gives a cast or anything like that. I literally love this setting powder, and I always tap the setting powder in with the foundation brush instead of sweeping it off. And the highlighter I'm using today is from the Makeup Plug. It is our bronze highlighter, and it's so freaking gorgeous to the skin. And you'll see me use very little of it, and you can actually move it with your finger and a brush. It won't smudge or anything like that. It's just very, very lightweight. It does have a little shimmer to it, so if you don't like that, it might not be for you, but it is literally gorgeous on brown skin. Y'all, we are finally done with this look. It is so gorgeous. We used our brown sugar glitter and our bronze beauty pigment. This look came out amazing. I'm so happy with the results. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also shop with me at www.themakeupplug.com.